Hi everyone, welcome back to the sessions. Today we are going to discuss about stakeholder analysis. We normally consider stakeholders as all of the internal people and teams who are the project will involve or affect to it, and also those who actively participate to project activities. And then people or organization which affect its outcome positively or negatively. Stakeholder analysis is a process of identifying these people before the project begins, grouping them according to their levels of participation, interest, and influence in the project, and also determining how best to involve and communicate each of these stakeholder groups throughout. So now let's see what are the purposes of stakeholder analysis. Project managers do stakeholder analysis for several strategic reasons. One is to enlist the help of key organizational players. By approaching organizational influences, we can take the knowledge and wisdom of these key players to help guide the project to a successful outcome. If we enlist our stakeholders early, it will increase the chances to earn their support for our project. Second one, to gain early alignment among all stakeholders on goals and plans. Stakeholder analysis also will help to determine which people to involve in the project, then to bring them in early stage meetings to communicate the project strategic objectives and plans. It also will help ensure everyone starts the project with a clear understanding of what success will look like and how they can contribute to that successful outcome. Third one, to help address conflicts or issues early on. It will identify conflicts or issues that can arise early and can prepare for them with stakeholder meetings with idea gatherings. Okay, then who are the stakeholders of a project? Beneficiaries, negative impacted people, interested contributors, and also donors. We can divide them into two groups according how's their involvement to the project as internal stakeholders and external stakeholders. Internal stakeholders are people whose interest in a company, organization comes through a direct relationship such as employment, ownership, investment, and they can directly involve financially to operation process of the project. Example, senior managers, head of department, project team, trade union leaders, etc. And external stakeholders are those who do not directly work within a company or organization but are affected somehow by the actions and outcomes. Examples, customers, suppliers, creditors, the local community, society, and the government. And then, according to effect of the project, we can recognize them as key stakeholders, primary stakeholders, and secondary stakeholders. Key stakeholders, those who are directly influenced to project success. Examples, beneficiaries, senior and head of the organizations, and also their interest may be positively or negatively affected as a result of the project execution or successful project completion. And primary stakeholders, who have an advantage or disadvantage during the running of a project or due to the completion of the project. Example, in a road development project, shop owners get positive impacted, but maybe people who are displacement can get negative impact. And then secondly, stakeholders, individual groups or entities that are interested in the social transaction of an organization. So they are interested and contribute to the project. Example, governmental and non-governmental organization, bankers, suppliers, pressure groups, or maybe politicians. Thank you so much. We'll meet again with more discussions.